Okay, guys, some people were asking question about the trading bots which I have been using for a while. I've been posting the result of the trading bot even on the Telegram platform, and sometimes I show the result in some of my videos. Okay, so people started asking question and they want to know how consistent it is in making profits. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you the trading result for yesterday, and of course I'm also going to show you the trading result for a week and for the last 1 month. Okay, so that you guys will see how much I have made with this trading bot. And for you to know, I started this trading bot with $200, and of course I'm going to show you all the trading activities right now. But before then, here is crash 1000 on the mobile setup, and something big is about to happen with this crash 1000. Okay, if this actually pulls back and gets to this region and didn't break out above this resistance zone, okay, then it's going to sell, and we are most likely to see a very long selling opportunity right from here. Okay, so it will first of all target this point. Okay, let me use horizontal line so that we will understand this. Okay, it will first target this point as our TP, and once it breaks out from there, then definitely we are most likely to see it get into these spots. Okay, and of course once it breaks out from there, then definitely guys, it will come down till it gets to this particular spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. You can see this is going to be a very long selling opportunity. So but let's wait for the right signal before we jump into it. So you guys should take advantage of this opportunity right now. So let's go back to the result of the trading bot. um when I slept off, I didn't remember to post the final results for that of yesterday, but later on I came up in the night to do the posting. Okay, so I'm just going to show you, for those of you that didn't get to see that, this is the final trading result. Okay, you can see it stopped at $136. Okay, and that is how I have been making profit with this particular trading bot without doing anything. I decided to trade step index alone yesterday. In short, I've used it with different assets, even though I traded more of step index 200 because of the steady movement most of the time. Okay, so now let's see the general performance for a week. So guys, this is the performance for a week. For a week, within the last during the week, I was able to make over $5,000. That is what you're seeing right here. Over $5,000 is what you're seeing right here. And if I should take it backward to about a month, you will see that I've even made far, far more than this. Okay. The result varies. Okay. Sometimes I will make more. Sometimes I will not even make up to that. Okay. So it happens like that. And that is why the um result is like this. Okay, this time around I made over $5,000 in a week. There are times that I didn't even make over, I mean, up to $1,000, probably about 800 or 900. So it depends on the market, but the most important thing here is consistency in making profit. That is it. I can easily say that it makes an average of $100 for me on daily basis. Okay, I have some people that are even doing more than this, okay, using the same trading bots. Okay, so some of them got it and they started using it, and they've been giving me amazing stories about it. Okay, so this is so amazing. So I'm going to take it backward to about a month ago. So guys, this is the total trading result for a month. That is over $12,000. Okay, you can see that over $12,000. Like I said, I started this account with $200. I didn't just get to this at first. I was using it to grow my capital. I used to trade different assets to see the one I would be more comfortable with, and it also depends on the market on that day. I've used it on BTC when BTC was really going up. I reuse it on BTC. I use it to trade spikes, trade on boom 1000 right here. um I use it for that. You can see BTC, Bitcoin, USDT right here. So it all depends on the day, and you can see this is still Bitcoin. Okay, for those of you who are asking if it is only trading a single asset, I've used it for Crash, I've used it for gold, I've used it for Euro USD. Okay, so I use it for different assets, even volatility. So I just keep on using it for different assets depending on the one I feel like trading. I usually switch like that whenever I am available, just to check out what the market is going on. So I always love risking some things. So I just want to try out all that things just for me to know how the market is doing well generally. I use it for gold. Yeah, that is true. In short, I love using it for gold. Okay, gold is also an amazing asset. I love trading. Okay, so that is it. So that is how you can put it into use. It buys and it sells. Okay, so that is it. So guys, it is as easy as that. You can see so many trading activities within the last 1 month, and of course this is really amazing. So guys, that is how it works. Nothing to hide. You can see when I close in reds. Okay, like I've always been telling you, as a trader, you should also get used to the rates. Okay, you should also get used to the rates as a trader. Okay, so it's not going to be all blues all the time. If you are looking for that strategy or that trading tool that will give you blues all the time, then you are not ready to make money, because even coming to life is coming to this earth, there are a lot of risk involved in it. Okay, even eating on daily basis, well, there are a lot of risk attached to it, because if it is that easy, there won't be the airbox lying there with the esophagus. Okay, so this is very, very important. So the funniest thing is the airbox is even the one coming, in front, and the esophagus is at the back. So which means life is all about risk. So if you just want to be seeing blues alone, then you are not ready to make money. Okay, so you definitely see rates too. Okay, so you can see lots of rates. Okay, but the most important thing is, are you making profit? Yes, I am making profit. You've seen it all, and of course you guys can take advantage of the opportunity right from there. I will be stopping right here. If you have any other question, kindly drop your questions down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.